Hello friends, welcome to Shell's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make banana curry in a very different way. You can see the bananas cut up in this size. First of all, I will fry the banana and I will use potatoes also. This is the potatoes. So first of all, I am going to fry the banana and potatoes. I've already put in the oil. Let the oil turn hot. Friends, I've taken some jeera. This jeera I will put in the oil and then fry the bananas. I've put in the bananas to fry now. Friends, the bananas turn brown. You can see. Now I'll take it out. Now I will put in the potatoes to fry. Friends, the potato also is fried up. You can see. This also I will take it out. Friends, I will put some bay leaves. I have chopped up one onion. This also I will put in. Friends, the onion also is turned brown. I have chopped up 3 tomatoes. This I will put in. Friends, the tomato also is fried up. You can see. Now I will put some turmeric powder, some chili powder. Friends, I have made a paste over here with garlic, onion, black pepper. This I will put in the tomatoes. And I have put some jeera also to make the paste. Now the masala will turn brown. Friends, the masala is turned brown. Now I will put in the banana and the potato. Put in the salt. Now I will add some water. Friends, I will put some garam masala. Cover it up and let it cook. Friends, the banana curry is ready. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.